Are you tired of studying for hours together and still not getting the top grades that you desire? Well, today we are going to unlock the four secrets of all time toppers and reveal the ultimate guide to topping exams. Here we go. Secret number one, the power of planning. Toppers don't rely on luck. They plan their study schedule meticulously, setting achievable goals for each day. By breaking down their workload into smaller, manageable tasks, they stay focused and consistently make progress. Secret number two, mastering time management. Toppers know that time is their most valuable asset. They prioritize their studies, eliminate distractions, and allocate specific time slots for different subjects. By taking control of their time, they ensure that every minute is well spent, maximizing their learning potential. Secret number three, effective study techniques. Toppers don't just mindlessly memorize information. They use proven study techniques like active recall, spaced repetition, and summarizing concepts in their own words. By truly understanding and engaging with the material, they retain information better and can apply it during exams. And finally, we come to secret number four, maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Contrary to popular belief, toppers don't sacrifice their happiness for studies. They know the importance of taking breaks, getting enough sleep, and staying physically active. By nurturing their overall well being, they enhance their cognitive abilities and perform better academically. So, there you have it, the four hidden secrets of all toppers. Are you ready to unlock your true potential and conquer your exams? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed. Good luck on your exams.